Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Today my RAM finally came in for the Dell Precision T35 desktop. I am installing 16 gigabyte. Yes, I had got a quad set of 4 gigabyte per stick. Yes, let's go ahead and get into it. I am so happy that this is excited. I can finally go ahead and close this build out so I could go ahead on and do my thing and do other stuff as well too with this, so my daughter could start gaming on her PC so she could go ahead and do her thing. Alrighty, this is them ATEC 16 gigabyte quad set. This is 4 gigabyte sticks per set. I got 4. This is DDR3 1333 megahertz, because that's what the Dell Precision go up to now. In the Dell Precision, there are 6 RAM slots. Total of each RAM slot, you can install 4 gigs a piece. That would give you a total of 24 gigabytes in that PC. Now, I'll be installing these 4 gigabytes, that's 16 gigabytes for 4, plus the 4 gigabyte that's in there, which could be bringing it up to 20 gigabytes per RAM, per memory. So yes, she would be playing her Fortnite. Yes, and I did PC game benchmark.com, where you go ahead and benchmark your game on it. Yes, you can play Fortnite on that PC on the Quadro FX 580 that is pre-installed. So enough said, let's just go ahead on and get right into the quick install of the RAM. And enough talking, let's do this. Alright everybody, the moment of truth now. Here we go. It's on. Alrighty, there we go. We fired up. Alrighty. Alright, everything looking good. We firing up into Windows 7. Now, just like I said, it's on Windows 10. Excuse that. You can still use Windows 7. You just got to go ahead and install a virus software on it. And as we all know, that they do not do security patches or any updates for the software, but you still can use Windows 7. Now, once you upgrade the CPU to a 64-bit CPU, then you can go install Windows 8 or Windows 10 on it. But right now, everything is all good. She is booted up. We got boot screen, and it's not an issue. Logging in right now. So I go ahead and show y'all the full RAM. So everything is fired up. It is now on 20 gigabytes of memory. Alright, let me go ahead and open up a program here. It is going to be very snappy now, which is not an issue. I will recommend ATEC memory. It comes in all specs: DDR4, DDR3, DDR2. Whatever system you are running and you are not upgrading, then go ahead on and buy this memory to go ahead on and give it a little oomph into your PC. And it is not installing drivers because I plugged in the Ethernet Wi-Fi extender in the wrong place. But other than that, it is good to go. But open up a program, which is CC Cleaner, and as you see, 20 gigabyte of RAM. She is on the CPU E5630. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor at 2.5 gigahertz with a boost of 3.9. No, with a boost of 2.9, excuse me. And as you see, she on an NVIDIA Quadro FX 580 with 20 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, she is up and running. She's running good. What can I say? I'll do my thing. Go ahead on, and if you want to go ahead and buy this memory, just like I said, if you want to buy this memory and upgrade any systems you have, this is a nice good budget RAM. I got I purchased the Quadro set for $79.99. I will be putting that link in the description below. These sets came from Amazon. So if you need memory and you are on old systems that is still workable and it still do what you have to do, then I will recommend this Quadro set from ATEC to anybody looking to upgrade their PC. These are 1333 megahertz DDR3. These are non-ECC modulars. So yes, I would recommend this set. I will also be linking into the description as well as the DDR4, the DDR2. If they have them, we are on a slight memory shortage because I'm still trying to upgrade to a 32 package with my editing rig. I'm still on 24 megahertz of RAM. I'm trying to upgrade to 32, and I cannot get that set in a non-ECC set. So I'll be looking out for these when they come available in the required speed I'm looking for. So go ahead on and thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank y'all for watching this quick video of the install of the memory in the Dell Precision T3500, my daughter's rig, and her gaming rig, and her editing rig as well. I want to go ahead on and give a quick love to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'll be posting new videos up soon. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.